Hello, welcome to your CSS Basics tutorial number 4. In this tutorial, I'm about to talk about IDs and classes. We're going to talk about IDs and classes and what are they used for and what is the difference between them. And that's all. Alright, let's get to it. So the first thing I would like to talk about are IDs. IDs are used to style a specific HTML element. Start a specific HTML element. I've created my own HTML file, so let me show you an example. So I've created 3 paragraphs. So in the first paragraph, I'm just going to add an attribute ID. Just going to say first. So my paragraph, I've given it an ID of the name first. So inside this paragraph, inside this HTML file, I'm just gonna create as in write my CSS. So I'm just gonna say, give it the style. I'm just gonna add the style tag. Okay. So inside this style tag, I'm just gonna add some attributes. So I'm just gonna say type. So this type of styling is called internal styling. In the coming tutorial, we'll be using external, and I think in the next tutorial, I'll be talking about how to write your CSS. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you about how to use IDs and classes. But in the next tutorial, I'll explain more on how to style your pages. So let's just continue. So I'm just going to say text or CSS. Before we proceed, just need to explain something. So we said IDs are used to style a specific HTML element. When you're using an ID in CSS, we use the hashtag. So every ID you're supposed to first write the hashtag. So inside my CSS, I'm just going to use hashtag first. Just have a body. So this is the body of the ID first. So I'm just going to say text align. Text align. Just going to say center. Put a semicolon. Then I'm just going to save this. So I'm just going to save my file on my desktop. So I'm just going to try and run this. See what's the result. Nothing is coming out. So there's an error. Something I forgot to put something. And my tag. So I'm just going to save this. So I'm just going to run it. See what's the result. So run it. So as you can see in our browser, that my first paragraph has been centered. So I've styled a specific HTML element. So that's the use of IDs. I wanted to explain on classes, but because of my time, I'm not running out of time. I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll be talking about classes. So guys, I hope you really like it. If you have any questions, you can comment. If you have any questions, you can comment, or you can post your questions on our Facebook page, African Programmer. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.